Hi guys, let's discuss about the Power Platform environment in Admin Center, Power Platform Admin Center environments. Okay, let's focus on especially the Microsoft Teams environment. How this environment is appearing here. What is the use case of this environment? Okay, let's discuss about this one. Mm, let's say generally whenever if you as part of either E3 or E5 license Office 360 I mean Dynamics 365 if you purchase by default Power Platform will come to the picture, and then by default whenever if you open Microsoft I mean make.power Power Automate or powerapps.com, if you go right you can see the default environment. Okay, here if you want to create any new environment, you just click on the new. Okay, and then you can see here uh, uh, name what are things, but if you see the type right here you can see the trial or developer production trial and sandbox, but here there is no Microsoft Teams. But how come this Microsoft Teams environment is appearing here? We just need to know mainly that one. Wow. uh, whether if that environment consuming any dataverse, all these things we have to see. Okay, let's say uh, how this environment is appearing here. Okay, in your Teams Microsoft Teams app. Okay, if you see this app right, this is your Teams app. Now if you see here right, you can see your Teams channel. Okay, in the left side, see you have multiple either Teams channels or team sites. Many things are there, or else if you want you can create a new team here, and then you can choose let's say corporate. Okay, corporate team. This team contain maybe it's a private team. You can choose whatever the either private or public, whatever it may be. You can choose accordingly, either if you want private or if you want public. um, let's say I'm choosing this as a public. Okay, this is for uh, this is for this is for policies or something. You can do you can give whatever you want. Okay, just for example I'm telling name of the our channel is uh, city. Okay, I'm giving a corporate teams. Okay, corporate team. uh, so now you create one team channel. Whenever if you create a new channel right, in the backend one SharePoint site will create. Okay, uh, if you want you can add the members, or you can add whatever the members or something based on this one. You can do whatever you want. Okay, now you see here right, you can add it this one. So now you added you are the owner of this one, and then you added one thing. Now if you see your Teams channel, you can see this is the one in the down. If you see right in the corp in second maybe, yeah, you can see here corp. Okay, now you can see here your this is your corp team channel. Okay, now this is a public team channel. Now here I'm going to add a one apps tab into the here, the Power Apps tab into the here. Then obviously the respective if you see here, you click on the here and you click on the plus icon. Now you can type with Power Apps. Okay, here this is the Power Apps. Now you are going to add this Power Apps into the respective corporate team. So whenever if you implement any Power Apps or any Power Flows on this channel, obviously within the respective members they can access, they can utilize those Power Apps or Power Flows accordingly. Okay, now you are going to here there is no any existing apps what it is appearing here. If you want you can just create an app in the Power Apps. So whenever if you create an app right, this kind of screen will appear. Okay, let's say now you can create your first app or as part of this beginner or something. You can do you can choose any employee app, or you can do whatever you want. Okay, just for testing purpose. Now you added this you added this Power Apps Power Apps app into the respective copy team. Okay, as long as if you added here into here, right, then you can see here in our environments tab, automatically the respect, you just refresh this one. Automatically you can see your corporate team, the Microsoft Teams environment will create. I think just 1 second. Let it be see here. It may take some time. I think just one more second, guys. Maybe I didn't add properly or something. Let me do it one more time. You just click on the Power Apps tab. So automatically the Power Apps tab. Yeah, you just create a one app, and then you can choose any either something or start now, any one of the app you can create here. Yeah, you can choose this corporate, and then you can choose yes. Now if you see, right, automatically things are ready. So obviously in the backend environment will create accordingly. So now let's see. Maybe it will take some couple of minutes. Yeah, it's immediately straight away. See, you see the message success, Power App is ready to go your corporate team. Now you see, you close this one, and then you can 1 second, you just refresh this one again, and you can see your the corporate teams, Microsoft Teams app is environment automatically it will create here. So but now you just need to understand uh, whether, see, now Microsoft Teams app is Microsoft Teams type environment has been created with this environment. But here you just need to understand whether this Teams, how much data was by default they are giving for this environment, how much it will consume, whether if you go for more tables, if you want to add into this environment, whether this is a suitable, are all these things we need to discuss in the next video.